Hello. This Columbia College Chicago Library video will discuss market segmentation and the Claritas Prizm Premier Segments. Claritas provides a proprietary blend of demographic data organized into 68 consumer market segments, which in theory describe every household in the United States. We can get to the Claritas segments using a link from one of the library research guides or by typing in the web address mybestsegments.com. There are two ways to get into the data. One is through the segment details, and another is through a zip code lookup. Let's start with the segment details. Here we have a list and a description of the 68 segments. The segments are organized by life stage group, which basically includes young, middle-aged, and older. By social group, which is big city, suburbs, second city, or town, small towns and rural areas. You can also narrow by income, education level, etc. Let's get into one of the descriptions for the segments. So I'm going to look at number 31, Connected Bohemians. And then we get into a description of the group. So here's a paragraph that describes the group briefly, and then some demographic traits and some media and lifestyle traits. Keep in mind that not every individual in this segment will own a Subaru or shop at Nordstrom per se, but it is giving a snapshot of the typical consumer in this segment. You can also see the top 5 counties and a map that demonstrates the concentration and where this segment tends to live in the country. The other tabs on this page are available only to subscribers and not to this free website. Another way to get into the details is to use the zip code lookup. I think of it this way. I imagine a neighborhood where the consumers that I'm interested in live. And then I'm going to use Claritas Prizm segments to understand more detail based on my hunch. But what are, based on data, who are the consumers who live in that zip code area? So let's look at the Columbia College zip code 60605 for the surrounding neighborhood. And we get the top 5 market segments in this neighborhood, and then can click into any individual segment and get more details, and then get an overall view of the consumers living in this neighborhood. If you have any questions or need further assistance with this or any other research, you can use the library's Ask a Librarian page to send an email, or when it's available, a live chat, and we'll be happy to help you.